Using your five senses. Okay. So you have sight, smell, taste, hearing, and touch. Okay. You can use all of these to your advantage to help you memorize. Have you ever been to a family function and you smell Granny's apple pie and you're like, oh, you smelled the pie, you thought of Granny, right? Smell, like some stimulant to your five senses will trigger some memory sometimes, right? So the idea is when you study, you have something, whether it's like a ring that's like a little bumpy, or if it's like a perfume or cologne that you don't really use, you can start associating that stuff with whatever subject you're doing, right? So that's why sometimes when people listen to music and they study like very close to an exam, it kind of messes them up sometimes because they're not in the same environment as they were studying, right? So during an exam, you can't listen to music, right? But you can have a ring around your finger. You can have like cinnamon dust sprinkled on your wrist, and you just smell cinnamon every now and then. Be careful with this. Whatever stimulant you choose, you will not look at the same. So be very careful what you choose. Something maybe you don't really care about, right? And also don't do it too often. If you do it too often, your body's just going to be like, okay, this is an everyday occurrence. If you do it every maybe hour or so, maybe 30 minutes, or every time you complete a problem and you feel good about it, maybe use the stimulant, right? Like whether it's feeling the bumpy ring, or smelling the cologne, or having like a bright orange paper in front of you to correspond with like the test room that has a bright orange wall, something like that, right?